Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is AI Graphics Factory, one of the hottest offers out today. And I like to start at the finish, which is it's $17 and most advanced text to image app out there. So not only is it $17, you can see the $3 off discount coupon. The coupon code is listed on my website. The link's in the video description. Get rid of these guys here. So the link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a demo video. There's the upgrade offers, description of it, $3 off discount coupon code. So you save $3 just by watching the video. Then you click the product box, boom, you're at this page, and you can grab it for, so 17 minus 3 is $14. Let's have a look inside and give you an idea what we're talking about. So this is cutting edge graphics. So they talk about quick 3 steps. Enter a keyword or a phrase, select from 30 plus different unique styles and click generate. That's pretty easy. Artificial intelligence instantly creates amazing graphics, not just graphics, but amazing graphics. And you can select, edit, modify with a built-in image editor. And then you download or share directly to your blog, website, social media to get the response that you want from people going, wow, look at that. So here's, they're getting some good results, ignore all that, making money. They're also talking about selling the graphics. So I'm going to go past all the blah, 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 nothing works, doing it manually with Photoshop. And there we go. So you can pretty much, there you go. So imagine, there's a good example here of amazing graphics with text in using AI in seconds. So these down here, that's exactly, lots of rats racing in the kitchen. Ding, man working it late, and they go office, stressed, tired, dim light. Ding, monkey playing with money. Ding, you see what I mean? You just enter in what you want and it creates it for you. Logo for a baking company. Logo for a travel blog. Logo of a hot air balloon, and even the way they go flat logo. So you have tons of different things you can create with this, from logos to just pictures to graphics to things that you can sell. People are looking for graphics, and you can create them with this. Create it instantly without any graphics tools or skills. Everything's done with this. Like I said, 3 quick steps. There is a demo to watch. I'll let you check that out yourself, and you can watch them actually do it. And like I say, $14 with the discount coupon. I'm going to let you scroll through all the blah, blah, blah. It's on the cloud. You can unlimited graphics, all sorts of design styles. You can see here, like from like a picture to cartoon. You can see that very, this is going to give you an idea of some of the different things that are there. So from I don't even understand what voxel-ish art is, but you can see sketch art. You can see Picasso, you can see mosaic, you can see Monet style, you can see horror cartoon art, you can see fantasy, dream-like cartoon avatar, 80s, again, disco, frog style. I don't even know what some of these are. So just different styles that can take that same picture and make it in a whole bunch of different ways. And again, you can edit it. You have access to everything. You can grab all the stuff, all sorts of stock keywords, and you're going to create new stock keywords by just telling it what you want. So away you go. I'm going to stop right there. Let's scroll down to, so there we go. Blah, blah, blah. Here's everything. And it should be $17, $17.95. And you get $3 off discount coupon code. And then you go, bing. No, you go, I guess there. Okay, so click the link in the video description. Go check out AI Graphics Factory, fresh out today. Grab the $3 off discount coupon code. Watch the demo video. Look at the one-time offers. See all the features that are in there. Pretty amazing stuff. This is the cutting-edge text-to-image graphic creator out there, fresh out today. It's called AI Graphics Factory. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Go check it out.